Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So if you are a returning subscriber, I just want to thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Then if you are new here, please ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. So today we are going to be making clove water for hair growth. So first of all, you grab your cloves. This is what clove look like. Put it in a bowl. Then you have to rinse it. You rinse it, then next you grab your jar, then put your cloves into the jar. So next I just decided to add warm water for the clove to infuse well into the water. So you can actually use any water of your choice, be it hot water, lukewarm water, just use any water, it's fine. I just decided to use warm water. I just felt like using warm water to get. And I cover it up and left it for 2 days. That the clove would diffuse very well into the water. So this is what it looks like after 2 days. You can see the color of the water is very concentrated. So next you sieve out the clove. You can use a cheesecloth, a wig cap. Just use a strainer that you have. So cloves are rich in nutrients required for your hair growth. Include potassium, sodium, omega-3 fatty acid, iron, manganese, vitamin K and vitamin C, iron and fiber. It also contains antioxidant that helps to promote hair growth and helps to combat things like dandruff also. So next, as you can see, I grabbed my spray bottle. I'm pouring in the clove water into my spray bottle, as you can see. So what are the benefits of clove? Number one, it stimulates and promotes hair growth. Then number two, it eliminates dandruff. Number three, it prevents graying of your hair. So if you have gray hair, you're trying to combat the graying of your hair, you can also try out clove. So yeah, I added a little amount of oil. So while you listen to me while I'm doing the voiceover, you're going to hear me state the reason why I added oil into my clove water. So let's move on. Number four benefit, it reduces hair fall, add shine to your hair also. So in as much as clove has a lot of benefits, it also has its disadvantage, or we call it side effect. So the disadvantage of clove water is that it causes dryness to your hair. So in order to prevent this clove water from drying your hair, I decided to add little amount of oils to the clove water just to prevent that dryness, because in this video I'm using clove as a leave-in spray. So this is what I'm going to be spraying on my hair for like every day or 2 days interval or thereabout. You get? So I'm going to add oils to prevent that dryness, because you know dryness leads to breakage of your hair, and in your natural hair journey one thing you need to avoid is dryness, because no matter the effort you are putting in your hair and your hair getting dry, it will lead to breakage and you won't be seeing the results. So you need to prevent dryness. So that's why I added oil to prevent the dryness, to be able to lock in the moisture into my hair. So that's all for this video for today. So if you have any questions or contribution, you can drop it in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed watching this video to the end, what am I even saying? I know you enjoyed watching this video. Yes, 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 enjoyed watching this video to the end. So ensure you give this video a like and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. Bye.